We are looking at how to pronounce this word, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ slightly. In British English, this is normally said as abhor, abhor. You do want to stress on the second syllable. In American English, this is normally pronounced as abhor, abhor. There is more of an R sound at the end in American English, abhor, in American English versus abhor. In British English, did you get it? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.